The XPND Pedal Power Battery Kit is the ultimate solution for gigging musicians who rely on pedals to shape their sound, giving you drop-and-go rechargeable power that's always clean, quiet, and reliable. With the Daddario XPND Pedal Power Battery Kit, you get everything you need to supply your performance from the cables to the power source, and your new power kit transforms your board in minutes. Efficiently attach up to 8 pedals with the world's first ever adjustable daisy chain. Easily slide your plugs for the perfect distance with customized plug spacing. Featuring a 10,000 milliamp per hour rechargeable battery with 10 plus hours of playing time for an average size pedal board. And with an easy to read numeric display, you'll always know your exact battery status, so you can stay powered through every performance while preventing overcharging of the battery. The system's gateway uses power delivery technology and proprietary noise filtering to provide 9 volts of clean power to your pedals. Recharge your battery anytime with a USB-C power adapter, or get continuous clean power from the wall for infinite playtime. You can finally clean up your cabling with the first ever customizable daisy chain, included in your kit and sold separately. Just insert plug to measure distance to pedal. Place cable into plug channel, making sure to match red to red and black to black to maintain correct polarity. Tighten plug cap to fully complete connection. Insert plug into pedal now with no excess wire. Complete the chain and bask in the beauty of a truly organized board. Some pedals may have a power jack on the side of the pedal. No problem. Just insert the plug into your pedal to measure the distance of the cable needed. Loosen cap from plug and remove spacer. Lay folded cable into plug, ensuring correct polarity. Red to red, black to black. Now, tighten plug cap fully to complete the connection. Sometimes, analog and digital pedals on the same daisy chain can cause interference or noise. Just identify the pedal to isolate from the others and silence it with the XPND Isolator, sold separately. Finally, analog and digital pedals on the same power chain without noise. Another problem solved by the ultimate pedal power solution.